Have you ever wondered what actually goes on when you send a simple text message over WhatsApp? How does your message goes from your mobile to the receiver's mobile? Have you ever wondered what actually happens behind the scenes? So hi, I am Akash and I am here to make things simple for you. Okay, so let's get started with the help of a practical example. Like you are sending now here a text message using your mobile. So you are typing the message and you want to send it through maybe WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is an application. Okay. So WhatsApp, you are just sending the information. Okay. So the information is being sent from this application WhatsApp to somebody else's application WhatsApp. Okay. So as soon as you click the send button, the information is being sent through the network. Okay. So there are several layers like the application layer, your session is maintained, and then the information flows through a network. Okay, so information flows through the network at your end. Okay, and then it is being collected and being sent across different locations or the receivers to which you are sending your message across the network itself. Maybe Wi-Fi or anything. It is obviously being sent over a network. Okay, and then the receiver receives the message over the application WhatsApp that flows through the network. So first user starts from here through application, it goes through the network and the receiver receives it through a network and just reads it through the application layer. Okay, so these are different kind of layers which are operating in a simple day-to-day life example. So that gets us to what is actually the OSI model. Okay, so the OSI, actually the entire communication, the network system and the application systems and the communication between them are based on a standard model, which is the OSI model, and based on which everything works. So OSI stands for Open System Interconnection, which is a reference model that describes how information from a software application in one computer moves through a physical medium to the software application in another computer. Like the information flows from one user's WhatsApp to another user WhatsApp through a physical medium. Now that is not visible to you, but that doesn't mean that there is no medium. There is obviously your internet. Okay. So the upper layer of the OSI model mainly deals with the application related issues. We would see the layers, while the lower layer of the OSI model deals with the data transport issues. Okay. So let us see the 7 layers of the OSI model one by one. So the first one is the physical layer. Okay, so it provides the physical medium through which bits are transmitted, like your LAN cable or maybe your Wi-Fi. Okay. Next is the data link layer. So what actually happens in the data link layer? It is used for error-free transfer of data frames. Like there should not be any error in that. The data link layer is used for error-free transfer of data frames. Like there is no error in the data frames. Next is the network layer, which is responsible for moving packets from source to destination. The information is in in data frames. The frames are further being packeted. So these are information packets which are moving from source to destination through the network layer. Okay. So these are the physical, data link and network layer. Okay, these are the lower levels here. Then at the middle we have transport layer. Transport layer ensures the end-to-end connectivity. Like data which you send must be received by the receiver's network. Okay, so it provides reliable message delivery. Like you get the acknowledgement when you send some kind of SMS, that is possible because of transport layer. That ensures that your information has been reached. Like a blue tick on WhatsApp you can see, or a double tick over WhatsApp ensures that your message has reached the destination. So that is ensured by the transport layer. Next is the session layer, which is used to establish, manage and terminate sessions. So the user would be having sessions like you are logged in on your WhatsApp or Facebook, that is being maintained by the session layer. Okay. Next is the presentation layer. So the presentation layer can be used to translate, compress or encrypt the information. Okay, like some sort of encryption or compression is required while sending any photos or anything. So the presentation layer works on that. Next is the application layer. So the application layer is something which you actually access over your mobile device or computer. It provides services to the user. So actually you are very much familiar with the application layer because you are always working with the application layer itself. So the upper layers deal with the software level. Session layer, presentation layer and application layer, they are mainly present with the application because the application or the software maintains your session. It is responsible for compression, like when you send an image, it gets compressed over WhatsApp. So it is being maintained by that software known as WhatsApp. So the upper layers deal with software level, while the lower layers deal with the data transfer or the hardware level. Okay, like how the data is transferred, there should not be any error. Okay, and the transport layer is at the heart of OSI, which ensures end-to-end connectivity, like the double tick over WhatsApp, that your message has been received by the receiver. So the sender basically works through the application layer, and the data goes like this when you send, like application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link and physical layer. Then it goes like this, okay, in the opposite direction. So at the receiver's end, physical layer, data link layer, network, transport, session, presentation and application. Okay, so this is how the data gets transferred, as I have told you in the beginning of this video, like what happens when you send a text message over WhatsApp. So I hope you got the entire concept and everything is cleared in your mind, how actually your messages are being sent over WhatsApp or any application, and how different applications work at different locations with different users. So this is all about the OSI model. I hope you found it interesting. I hope you are enjoying watching the video. So please do hit the like button, and in order to get more such videos, please do subscribe the channel. And to get more information on that and any kind of documentation from us for your ready revision, you can just click on the link below or join our Telegram channel, where we would be sharing all such information with you, the PDF files, the study material and all. Please do join the Telegram channel, and I hope you are having a good time. So happy learning.